So for number 9, if s is equals to square root of 80 plus cube root of 40, find the velocity and acceleration when t is equals to 2. So for number 9, we will try to find the value of velocity and acceleration. So for finding the velocity, take note that velocity, so v, is just equals to the ds over dt. So we have, so for this one, we will, and for acceleration, acceleration is just equals to the d squared s over dt squared, or the second derivative. So we'll now solve for this one. So s is equals to 80 raised to the power of 1 half plus cube root, so 40, so raised to the power of 1/3. So we'll try to find ds over dt. So it's just equals to 1 half. So just copy inside. So 1 half minus 1 is negative 1 half. Derivative inside is 8 plus 1/3 multiply. So just copy inside. And 1/3 minus 1 is negative 2/3. So derivative inside is 4. So ds over dt is equals to, so 1, so 8 divided 2 is just equals to 4 all over. So having negative exponent, so we'll bring down it to the denominator. So raised to the power of 1 half plus 4 all over 3 multiply by 40 raised to the power of 2/3. So this is now our value for first derivative. But take note that when find the velocity when t is equals to, so at t is equals to 2, so we have ds, so ds over dt is equals to 4 all over, so 8 times 2 raised to the power of 1 half plus 4 all over 3 multiply by 4 times 2 raised to the power of 2/3. So by using calculator, we have ds over dt. So v is equals to ds over dt is just equals to. So we'll solve. So we'll use calculator. So by using calculator, we have 4 all over 8 times 2 raised to the power of 1 half plus 4 all over 3 times 4 times 2 raised to the power of 2/3. So the answer is 4/3. ds over dt is just equals to 4/3. So this is now our final answer for velocity. And take note, we are tasked to find also the acceleration. So we will have its second derivative. So d squared s all over dt squared. So by this, we'll copy this equation right here. So 4, so we'll just copy first before we, ds over dt is equals to 4 all over 80 raised to 1 half plus 4 all over 3 times 40 raised to the power of 2/3. So we are now ready to differentiate. So d squared s all over dt squared. So 80 is copy denominator. Derivative of constant is 0 minus 4 times 1 half times 80. 1 half minus 1 is negative 1 half. Derivative inside is 8 all over. So 80. So 1 half times 2 is equals to 80. So plus, just copy the denominator. Derivative of constant is 0. Minus, so copy the constant. So derivative is 3 times 2/3. 3 times 2/3. 3 times 2/3, so just copy inside 40. So 2/3 minus 1 is negative 1/3. So derivative inside is 4 all over. So the denominator will be squared. So it is 9 times. So 2/3 times 2 is just equals to 40 raised to power 4/3. Right? So we'll simplify. So we have d squared s all over dt squared is equals to, so we'll cancel this one and also this one. So the remaining will be 4 times 1 half is 2. So 2 times negative 8 is negative 16 all over. So 80 times 80 raised to the power of 1 half plus. So 4 times, so the 3 will be cancelled. 3 will be cancelled. So 4 times 4 times 2 is just equals to negative 32. 4 times 2 times 4 is negative 32 all over. So 9 times 40 times 4 raised to the power of 4/3 times 40 raised to the power of 1/3. Again, we will also simplify this one. We have d squared s all over dt squared is just equals to negative 16 all over 80 raised to the power of, so 1 half plus 1 is 3 halves minus, so 32 all over, so 9 multiplied by 4/3 plus 1/3, so 40 raised to the power of 5 all over 3. So at t, so take note, at t is equals, so take note, at t is equals to 2. So at t is equals to 2, so we'll now use the, we'll now substitute. So d squared s all over dt squared, so negative 16 all over 8 times 2 raised to the power of 3 halves minus 32 all over 9 times 4 times 2 raised to the power of 5/3. So by using calculator, we have, so this is the acceleration. So by using calculator, we have negative 16 all over 8 times 2 raised to the power of 3 halves minus 32 all over 9 times 4 times 2 raised to the power of 5/3. So the answer is negative 13 all over 36. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So for velocity, 4 all over 3. So our velocity here is 4 all over 3. So our answer here is correct. And for acceleration, negative 13 all over 36. So our answer here is negative 13 all over 36. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.